Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's take next part of this short story. Ebli. Ebli means grandmother. We also had take extreme precautions before commenting on the news in front of Ebli. The mention of daily happenings like the rolling of a bus into ditch at such and such place, the derailing of a rail car, the disturbance of an aeroplane, or the firing of a bullet at some position or the other was enough to trigger an interminable series of questions. Who had take extreme precautions? Dears, the family members of Ebli had take extreme precautions, great care before commenting, before discussing such things in front of Ebli. And dears, what they were going to discuss in front of Ebli when they had take great care, the daily happenings means, and the daily happenings that came in the newspaper, that came we can say in the media, like the rolling of a bus into a ditch at such and such place, the derailing of a rail cart. Go आखिर इस तरह कि कुंजे आज न्यूज़ ऐसे में कहते हैं सच बस का मजदूर या कुंजे न्यूज़ की कुंजे ऐसे गो रेल के पटरी पे डुल. Yeah, there is also a news we can say the disappearance of an aeroplane, and there is also news the firing of a bullet at some position means mob, and other was enough to trigger an interminable series of questions. Why they were going to take great care when they were going to discuss such things in front of before committing and discussing such things in front of Evi, because she may raise such questions when she heard such things. Also, boys and she's carry ekdam raise questions. Is my Roxana safe? So when he mean Roxana is safe, was Roxana traveling in that bus? You can say that kind of idea may come in her mind that Roxana was traveling in that bus which had fallen into a ditch. And Roxana is very curious. She must have gone to see that procession. The firing of a bullet at some procession, and she must have joined that procession. मतलब समाज गमस तम तक जुलूस में शामिल यत पेट गूल चले. We would start laughing and Ebi would admonish yet again for sending Roxana to Srinagar. Who would start laughing? The family members of Ebi. They'd start laughing at her simplicity, and Ebi would admonish means warn them yet again for sending Roxana to where? Srinagar. When she expressed her helplessness. Who expressed her helplessness? Ebli expressed her helplessness. We comforted her. The writer is going to tell here that they were comforting her. They comforted her. They soothed her. They consoled her. Saying what they were going to, we can say, convince her. Saying that Srinagar is a mountain resort, means health resort. Where Roxana is studying, that is health resort. That is a tourist health resort. And that is called paradise on earth. Jannat Benazir. Paradise means heaven. Heaven on earth. And every year thousands of tourists visit Kashmir to explore it. And this place is visited by a large number of tourists every year. We tried to make her understand that Roxana was in Srinagar not out of some desperation but to get further education and seek better life. They were going to convince her that Roxana had gone to Srinagar for what? To get further education and seek better life. For that purpose she had gone there. When we promised of that next spring we would take her to Srinagar too, Ebli fell silent. When we means they, when the family members, they promised Ebli that they were going to take her where? Srinagar. Next spring. And what was the reaction of Ebli at that time? She fell silent. Ilimus pani family member of Wadkur Sasanimotis next spring as a Nemotis Kut, Srinagar. Mother Tim's reaction case about Khamush. She was silent. If we had brought up the subject of her visiting Srinagar before Roxana left, she would have risen in anger and pursued her mouth, declaring, if they were going to discuss the subject of her visiting before Roxana left, Ruxana nearna bront agar tam ye karan discuss, tele ase emis khotmut shararat. She would have risen in anger and pursued her mouth, closed her mouth, and declaring, Tilmanis, I won't leave my children and grandchildren to go anywhere. And she might have said these words, that she won't leave her children and grandchildren to go anywhere. Bikir put trauk panin bajt bachnan bachit pad gazbu kunjay. Srinagar aside, our Abi has not even ventured beyond a distance of 10 miles from our village. Let this place aside. Aside means one side. Our Abi means their Abi has not even ventured means beyond a distance of 10 miles from their village. She had not come out of her village. So she zain dramas gar never. Kes wona ima asan kadmit 10 mil asa asnem kadmit pani gam pet. 2 years ago, after a gap of 8 years, 2 years ago, she had made it to Leh town for annual Dosmich festival, held every winter to forage the town of evil. First time she had gone to attend this festival, annual Dosmich festival, which held every winter. So he winters mazima amanda phi veri manan winters mas to purge the town of evil. Emuk maksad kya shu mananuk isse karon ye clear is town she karon burayonish clear evil gi buray. She saw masked dancers and musicians leading a procession from the place through the main bazaar. Iblis saw masked dancers, musicians, they were leading a procession when they were moving through the main bazaar. The in which festival as much as im look various at the most bazaar means pakamagar even bro pakam masked dancers. The most mask like to be musicians. The most in broad paka. She came across monks burning effigies and making crosses of thread. She also met monks. Monks means priests burning effigies and making cross threads. Burning effigies means the statues they were burning. Zala. And making crosses of thread means net. Net. Kim khatar to trap harmful spirits and hungry ghosts of the old year. Yatman se karo kisam trap kum harmful spirits. Getamim nuksan nawan. And hungry ghosts get dev of the old year. That is why they had made such kind of net. There was much hustle bustle. Where? In Leh, when they were going to celebrate, when they were going to celebrate this festival, at that time there was a much hustle bustle. There was a lot of noising activity. But that evening, when Ebli returned home, she could only complain. After attending this festival, when Ebli returned home, when she reached home, and she could only complain, oh dear, my head is spinning. Imkar akai shakayat ili or wapas ili garvuz. Imdup message yawan chakar gyur yawan. My head is spinning means she is feeling dizzy. She was feeling dizzy. We can say she was feeling dizzy. There were so many people there. At such very look, where in the festival, that the breath was squeezed out of me. Nasos Shah Khalun Walun Gasa Mushkil. I will never go again. And she decided never go again. Where? To Leh, to attend this festival. Nimyok Nasagas Namazai or Ikim could decide, you could ably decide, Ilim Gwendik Pirasi Gary Dramas, Ilim Kariavi, attend the festival. That is one Dosmich festival. Dosmich festival is in Manavashi, Ventras months, February. The Maksad Kash Mananugat to purge the town of evil means to clear the town of evil. Thank you.